Hello, this is Ajinkya. And last time I mentioned I was working on a storekeeper game using Unreal Engine 5. So today I'm showing a little bit update which I made to my game. I've introduced a few more components such as interaction component and as well as a dialog manager. A dialog manager is like a game instance which is uh, already available in the game. You don't have to add it like a normal actor, and it's always a singleton. And the interesting part about my interaction component is it is also handling of finding interactables. So interactables are items such as pickable store items or any other customer actors which might be having a dialog component. And I have also made several changes to my UI. So the differences, the changes in UI is like now they are inheriting from C++, which are their custom classes. I have even made smaller components into C++. This is like a bridge between UMG and the blueprint. And this is how it looks. I've also added a little bit of a retro effect. The retro effect, as in, you will see there is a pixelation. It's not a big deal. I just saw a video. Default, yeah, not default input, but default game, default editor. No, what default engine? Sorry, yeah. So there are a few changes I made to these properties. I don't remember which were they, but I think, yeah, this one, MS account, anti-aliasing and all that. Uh, so I saw that video about retro and added that. Okay, so the interesting part about the tracing. So you will notice earlier you had to like really concentrate on the object. Now you don't have to do that. Even if you look like casually, you can select objects and it's like this. And as well, the inventory shows up perfectly. Even the hover effect works fine. And you will notice I have another UI over this characters, E to talk and customer one, sure, customer, okay, there is this small bug, okay, I'll rectify that later on. And customer two, not available and blah, blah, blah. And that's how it works. I also have this shelf. Basically, you can place back the items. And that's it from this video. I'll just quickly show this press E to talk, how I made that. Where is my... Yes. So you will see over here, this is my tooltip widget. Tooltip widget is actually a UI widget. I've added all these nodes, which I found while creating and learning Unreal Engine. So normally, so how you would add a widget from C++ is you would have an instance. This is like actual blueprint. Sorry, this class is like actual blueprint widget, and this instance is the C++ class, and you would call add to viewport. But in this case, since uh, this specific class which I made, which is not a canvas, but it is like a doesn't have a canvas at the base. All it has is this scale box and a text, tooltip text. So I needed a canvas, right? But this canvas has to be rendered on the actor, not so not on the player's viewport, but on the screen space. So that's why this tooltip widget was added. So this is how the code looks. So basically, the class gets rendered on this tooltip widget. Maybe like consider it like a canvas. And to see the tooltip widget code, right? It gets created here in the show dialog prompt. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. And that's it from me for now. See you. Bye bye.